Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial on how to calibrate Grant's sub and JB water baths. If you need any assistance after following this guide, please contact us. Details can be found on our website. This is your essential guide to calibrating a Grant unstirred water bath. For this procedure, you will need a reference thermometer and a stable ambient environment. You should be able to complete a calibration within 1 to 2 hours, depending on how long the bath is left to stabilise. Choice of calibration type is dependent on the bath model. A single point calibration is available on the JB Academy and Nova bath ranges, and a dual point and single point calibration is available on the Sub Aqua Pro range. Deciding on a calibration method is simple. Single point calibration, which is available on all water bath models, allows a correction factor to be applied evenly over the bath temperature curve. We'd recommend that for optimum accuracy you calibrate at a commonly used temperature for your work. Dual point calibration is available on all Sub Aqua Pro models. This allows 2 correction factors to be applied across the bath temperature curve. This is useful when you're routinely using your bath over a range of different temperatures. We'd recommend that you choose 2 extremes of working temperature to make this as effective as possible. For bath calibrations, it's very important to have a stable ambient temperature. For this reason, it's best to perform a calibration at times of the day when the ambient is unlikely to significantly change. It's also important to avoid unpredictable cooling drafts, so ideally set up the bath away from open windows, air conditioning vents and desk fans. The quality of the reference thermometer will also greatly affect the accuracy of the calibration. Ideally choose a thermometer which has 10 times the accuracy you are trying to calibrate to, and with a minimum resolution of 0.1 degrees Celsius. The first steps in performing a single point calibration involve filling the bath to your normal working depth, and then setting the bath to the working temperature you'd routinely use. We'd recommend leaving the bath to stabilise at the set temperature for at least an hour. After the temperature has stabilised, place the reference thermometer either in the centre of the bath or, if using a lid, through the thermometer hole. The next step is to record the reference thermometer temperature and enter the temperature into the calibration menu. To do this, press the Set button and, using the up and down keys, navigate to the screen displaying SPC. Press Set and then enter the reference thermometer value using the up and down keys. Press Set to enter the value and wait for the bath to automatically adjust to the set temperature. This now completes a single point calibration. Moving on to the dual point calibration. This consists of 2 points, a low and a high calibration point. To do this, press the Set button and, using the up and down keys, navigate to the screen displaying LPC. Press Set and then enter the reference thermometer value using the up and down keys. Press Set to enter the value and wait for the bath to automatically adjust to the set temperature. This now completes the low part of the dual point calibration. Now set the temperature of the bath to the required upper calibration point, in this case 70 degrees C. Allow the bath to stabilise at this temperature. To do this, press the Set button and, using the up and down keys, navigate to the screen displaying HCP. Press Set and then enter the reference thermometer value using the up and down keys. Press Set to enter the value and wait for the bath to automatically adjust to the set temperature. This now completes a dual point calibration. If you need any additional help calibrating your bath, the following contact details may be useful. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial. We hope you find your water bath a reliable and useful asset to your lab.